Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction features available on this device. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System. Then you can select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and the keyboard. Finally, select Text Correction section over here, and as you can see, all typing features are located over here. In order to switch on or off one of those options, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!